I was stuck, plain and simple, trapped in a life that felt like someone else's script. My career, my routine, it was a slow poison, leaving me hollowed out. Every single day was a carbon copy of the last, gray, numb, and pointless. I was sleepwalking, and I knew in my gut that if I didn't rip the wheel and change course, I'd wake up in 20 years drowning in regret. In this video, I'm laying out the 4-step framework I used to burn my old reality to the ground and build a life I actually want to live. This isn't about wishful thinking. It's about making a hard decision. And the first step is something you can do the second this video ends. All right, step 1. And this is the one that might hurt a bit. Radical, brutal honesty. For years, I was just a passenger in my own life, on autopilot. Never once did I stop and ask, did I actually choose any of this? You can't fix what you refuse to face. You have to diagnose the sickness before you can even think about the cure. So here's what you do. You run a personal audit. Think of it like a battlefield assessment. What are your strengths, your weapons? What are your weaknesses, your exposed flanks? Where are the opportunities, the openings? And what are the threats, the ambushes waiting for you? This isn't about beating yourself up. It's about intel, cold, hard data. Get real. What are you damn good at? Where do you always screw up? And what bullshit stories are you telling yourself that keep you chained down? From there, you forge 3 keystone habits. Just 3. 1 for your mind. Read 10 pages of something that challenges you. 1 for your body. A 20-minute walk, a quick workout. Just move. And 1 for your grind. Spend 15 minutes sharpening a skill. These aren't just tasks. They're promises you make to yourself. Every time you do them, you're building proof. You're building the discipline and self-respect you need for the war ahead. Step 2. This is where we stop diagnosing and start building. Forget goals. Goals are flimsy. We're talking about identity. We're defining the man or woman you will become. See, most people are obsessed with who they are. It's a trap. Your current identity? It's not a life sentence. It's just a story you've been telling yourself. And you can write a new one. Ask yourself this one, gut punch of a question. What would the person I want to become do today? Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Grab a pen, write it down, get granular. What does this future you do for a living? How do they walk into a room? What do they stand for? What are they willing to fight for? This isn't some fluffy vision board. This is your new North Star. It's the blueprint for a new you, built from the inside out. Look, if this is hitting home for you, if you're feeling that fire, then hit subscribe. I'm dropping everything I know about clawing your way to a better life, and I want you in this fight with us. Join the crew. Step 3 is the engine. It's time to act. You're going to act as if. Act as if you are already that person. There's no permission slip coming in the mail. The perfect moment is a myth. You start being that person right now. You want to be a writer? Then write. Today. Want to be fit? Make the healthy choice for your next meal. Your actions are the only thing that will make that new identity real. Now, this doesn't mean you detonate your life overnight. You experiment. You run small-scale missions. You test the waters without drowning. Take on a small project that scares you a little. Sign up for that class. Start that side hustle you've been dreaming about. These are small bets. They build momentum. They give you battlefield intel on what works without getting you killed. And then comes the point of no return, the burn the boats moment. You have to make a conscious choice to cut the anchors, to let go of the people, the habits, the parts of your old life that are trying to drag you back into that gray existence. Yeah, it's terrifying, but it's the only way forward. You can't reach a new shore if you keep one foot on the old one. And the final step, the accelerator. You need to build your tribe. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. That's not just a saying, it's a law of nature. Your environment can be a headwind or a tailwind. If your current circle is keeping you chained to the person you used to be, you have a duty to yourself to find a new one. I'm not telling you to be reckless, but you have to be ruthless in protecting your future. Intentionally seek out people who are where you want to go. Find a mentor who won't coddle you. Join a mastermind of killers. Get online and connect with people who are on the same damn path. Tell them where you're going and demand they hold you to it. This new tribe, they won't let you slip. They won't let you quit. They see the person you're fighting to become, not the ghost you're leaving behind. So that's the framework. 4 steps. 1. Get brutally honest with yourself. 2. Design your future identity. 3. Act like that person now. And 4. Build your tribe. This isn't a magic trick. It's not a one and done deal. It's a constant fight, a daily evolution. It's going to demand courage you didn't know you had. But look at the alternative, a life of quiet desperation, lived on autopilot. That cost is infinitely higher. The person you were born to be is waiting. It's time to go meet them. Start the fight today.